This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Same link only for this class. Please share the link in the group once again. Those who knows, someone is asking there. Everyone join the sessions. So we are going to start. So everyone is able to see the screen. Put a thumbs up if you are able to see the screen. Okay. So we have done last class uh, document splitting, right? So field status variant we did also. Today I am going to tell you document number range. Okay. Document splitting, yesterday's class we have done. And tolerance group, yes, I have stopped there. So define document types and number range. So define tolerance group for employees, amount authorizations limit. So what is that meaning here? So define tolerance group. In these activities, you specify the various amounts limits for your employees. These limits determines that maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to post documents. So the maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to enter a line items in a customer or vendor account, the discount percentage or the employees is permitted to enter a line items. So tolerance group, for what reasons it has to be used? Tolerance group contains the details that control the way the system process the cash discount and payment differences. Further, the tolerance limits can be defined either as an absolute amount. Okay, so what is the meaning of the tolerance group for employees? Determines the maximum document amount the employees are authorized to post. This is the actual meaning. The maximum amount can enter as a line item in a vendor account. Okay, in a vendor account. One second, I'll just move this. Vendor account or customer account. A tolerance group is created and assigned to the employees. Okay, so the maximum amount can be entered vendor accounts or customer account. A tolerance group is created assigned to the employees. You can write the notes here, students. If you have not written, I think you have written last class something, but still you can write some things here. The maximum amount for which an employee is permitted to enter a line items. That is one example as given here. Salary expenses account debited to bank account. So being salary expenses paid for the month of April. So business area here Hyderabad quantity suppressed. Suppress is like it's in hidden options. It is not mandatory to fill, but required means it is mandatory to fill. I have shown in the fill status variant. So make a note on this, and you can write one example here: account executive 5 lakhs, accountant 15 lakhs, manager 25 lakhs, senior manager 30 lakhs, and CEO 50 lakhs. So everyone able to see the screen? Okay. Okay, so here we can write, we can complete this. So to what amount the payment difference? If I'll give an example, suppose you have purchased 10,000, okay? So I'll give you an example here. Suppose you have done purchase of, see, there is in a department there will be a different employees will be there, like senior manager, up to post 1 crore documents, document posting up to 1 crore. Manager is 50 lakhs and senior accountant 25 lakhs and accountant 15 lakhs. That much they can post the documents. So how much difference, what is the payment difference? Now I want to tell you, see one example as given here. Suppose you have purchased 1,000 from a vendor. So you are paying to vendors 950. Difference is how much? 50. Okay. So 10% difference also you can give on this 10,000. Suppose you are purchasing 10,000. Okay. And you are paying 9,000. Though 10% they can give the payment difference. So 10,000 10% is 1,000 rupees. That is called your payment difference. That much we can give the credit, that can we can purchase, that means that vendors can give the credit purchase for this much amount. So the path is like SAP customizations guide, if I'll tell you. So financial accounting document tolerance group. So define document tolerance group for employees. Step 2, now on the next screen click the new entries to create a new tolerance group. Okay, so you can write this also. This is a big things to remember. This is also one procedure: SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions, open items clearing, clearing difference, tolerance group for employees. Both the case we can see that. So completed yesterday recordings I have sent students. You can download that. Okay, in this activity you specify the various amount your this limits has been done. So document tolerance group, define tolerance group for employees. Now on the next click, this is on the new entries to create a new tolerance group. Okay, so what is that here? And have you completed this? Everyone has done. Those who have done, you can put. The name is different. Little 5th August mistakenly has given. Actually, it was yesterday recordings. Today recordings will be sending tomorrow. Okay, it is not 5th August. It's a 4th August recording. So admin has sent and deleted. So I have sent this. You can go through that. Okay, next is let's do with the software. So resume this virtual machine. So once it is getting loaded, we'll start with that. Okay, let's take with the SAP SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, financial accounting new. So we can see the path here. So financial accounting, general ledger accounting here. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transactions. Here, business transactions, open items clearing, clearing difference. So business transactions, open item clearance, okay, then clearing difference, then define tolerance group for GL account, it is there. But this is for, so define tolerance group for employees, not for this first one. You have to do define tolerance group for employees. So here I have given define tolerance group for employees. Either differences, you means after difference you have to click on define tolerance group for employees. Here we need to click. Completed. So once you click on this, So you will get this link. So you have to click on new entries. So I'm going to give here company code TA. What was that our company last class we have created? No, in IN 25.
25.
Yes, this reset company only we use. And here you need to type 11 times 9. You can make a note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 nines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Okay. So this is your 10%. This is amount difference is 100. This is I'll take 100. This is 10 and this is 10. Yeah, so this is you can write completely you write company code IN25 amount per document. So completed this. Completed. After this you need to save. So this is our Infotech company 25. Save this back and then you back once. So this is the creation of tolerance group. Clear? Any doubts in this? Understood, students?
Ma'am, after save?
After save, nothing you have to do. You have to come back. Have to come back. Okay. So here I have done come back. This is you need not to assign. Remember that tolerance group only creations. You need not to assign for that. Then I am going to teach you document number range. Okay. So what is the document number range? Document types. This is one important topic for the day. Document number range, why do we use? Okay. So next heading you write document types number range. So document types key is used to distinguish between business transactions and to classify the accounting document. Make a note on this. It is used to determine number range for the documents and account type such as assets, material, vendors for posting. So what is the use of that? To distinguish between business transactions and to classify the accounting document. What type of document it's related? Like it is related to assets documents or material or vendor and posting. So here we have document types. So SA for GL posting, AA for asset posting, DA for customer document, DR for customer invoice, DZ for customer payment right now. And KA for this is not required, credit memo. So next is assets posting. This is for assets accounting, which is related to the material management. So for the FICO, whatever required, this is the for FICO. So DA, customer document, customer invoice, customer payment, KA for vendor document, KR for vendor invoice, and KZ for vendor payment. So you can make a note on this. How to create, I'm going to show you. Okay, so these are the different document types. So have you done, students? If you have done, please put your response here in the chat box. Those who have completed, put your response.
Show that page, ma'am, once again.
Okay. So this is GL posting, that is general ledgers. What do you mean by vendors? I told you already, that is vendor means suppliers. Okay, of goods and services. So these are called account type SA, DA, DR, DZ, KA, KR, KZ. These are called document types. completed. So we'll continue. Put your response. We'll start with that document types. Type 1 in the chat box if you have completed. In the chat box you type. Okay, those who have completed, press 1. Okay, next, what is that? We have to do path to create number range. So you can first you see path to create document number range. This also you can note down, students. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, document, define document number ranges, execute. First we'll do document number range, then we'll do document types.
Ma'am, we are still copying it.
Just a minute. It is there. Correct only the path, you can note down that. This path you can note down. This is exactly correct is there. Completed? This all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after this, what we need to do? We have to go to the path. So financial accounting, global settings, document number ranges. So define document number range. Click on this and company code I'll give IN25. You have to click on change intervals. Students, you write company code, you have to give number range for accounting document. This screen will appear and we have to give your company code and change intervals. You can note down also change intervals. Once you click on change intervals, click on intervals. So give the number as a 0, 1. Click on intervals and give the number as a 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 5. From account 1000 to 1999.
After change intervals.
You have to click on intervals. Okay. Once you click on intervals, this screen will appear. Then in the new intervals you have to give number 01 year 2025, from number is 1000, to number is 1999.
After change intervals, can you show once again?
No, we cannot go back. If I delete, then it will not get once again. I told you, after change intervals, you have to click on intervals. Here it is displaying. You have to click intervals, then it will display. Once I'll cancel it, it will not be created once again. So it is a one-time creation. After change intervals, you have to click on intervals, then the screen you will get it. But do not fill anything in the current numbers. You have to give only from number to number. That's what I made it slow, because if I'll go back, the data will not be saved and it will make some errors. So only I'll stop here. You just complete this. Then you click on which button you have to click. Here the save button will not visible. Here you have to click on insert enter. Insert enter. Completed. Once it is done, then click on this, and what you need to do, you need to save. Okay. Once it is getting saved, you can come back. So here this instruction will display. Need not to think what is happening, not like this. You have to click on the tick mark. This is only one time creations. Okay, done, save back. Now someone is asking what to do. See, IN25, if I click on change interval, it is displaying. You have to click on intervals. The next document intervals we can create on that. Clear? Any doubts is there? Understood? One student was asking, is that clear? You understood? Who was asking actually? Disha was asking.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to click on change. I shown you that. I saved. I'll show this. See, when you go to the define document number, it is one time creation. So IN25. Suppose I have created, but I want to see that it has been done or not. You have to click on intervals. You can see it has been created. Clear. Likewise, when you will create for vendor, now I am going to create document types, number range. That also it will display here. Okay, change intervals when you will do it will come, it will blank, it will display. You have to click on intervals and you can fill. But 0 1 is one time creations. If you will cancel this, you may not be able to create one more time 0 1. That's what I have not gone back. You understood? This is all one time. This number range is all one time creation. Clear students, till there's any doubts is there? Everyone understood? Put your thumbs up if you understood. Okay. Anjana, Disha. What about others? Abhinay, Nitya, Ashwini. Okay. So put your response quickly so that we can proceed to the document types creation. Okay. So next one is document types. What is the document? Why other student did not understand? You understood document number range? I got only few response here. Hmm? I got only few response. What about others? Marilyn has attended all the classes. Varun, then Nityashri, Yashashwini, Amreen, Humira. Are you understanding all? Okay. Kushi, Veena, Aditi. Okay. So we'll proceed for the next one. See here, next one is document types. I'm going to create document types. So define document and number range is important tools. If why do we create number range? I have created, but still the information is there. A number range object can be used by business application to provide database records with unique number. Just like now, when you are seeing any bill, so bill number will be there or not? Like that, anything you are purchasing or selling, there will be a bill of materials will be there, like bill will issue receipt, which you are telling. Okay, so there will be a number. Like you are joining for any courses, you are making payment, so they will raise an invoice. Okay, that number will be there. So likewise, to complete the keys of the data records, these numbers can be used as an order number. Like I did one posting document like goods purchased by cash 5,000. One posting address I have done. That will be document number range 1000. Second document, suppose I purchase machinery by check. So then second document will be 1001. Like this, the number range will be coming. You can start give for 1 also, 10 also. I have given 1000 range, 1000 to till 2000. That much ranges we can give. So you can give 100, 2000, any number range you can give. But the number range number will be 0 1. It should be start first document. And defining a document number range is important steps in the overall process of document types creations. You could have external and internal managed number range. So a number range is a sequence of numbers with a start and end. That's what I've given 1000 to 1999. Okay. It also contains the current number that is being used. That's what I have given here. The lies between 1 to 1, that is unlimited, like 1999, like this number you can create. When a sales document type or is being created, the number range lies between 1 to this much. Also, it is defined as an internal number range. Okay. So document number range is based on F5 that you have to track the document. For that you need to maintain F5 number range FBN1. So what is the T code? Transactions code. I am going to use transactions code by this Thursday. How to use transactions code in the T code bar and how we can create quickly all this steps that I am going to show you. For your company code, enter unique number range and fiscal year. Then the number range will be starting. Okay. And so I'm going to create now document types. So how to do document types? So here it is there. Document number range we have created here. So how to create document types? In this way also it is displaying students. I'll just check it out. Company code IN25. Yeah, in this way also it will display like documents, line items, define tolerance before employees. This is also one procedure is there. One second, I'll just check it out. So next you write students financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, then document types. Write the path for creating of document types. Path is financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, completed. So financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, document types, then define document types for entry view. Define document types for entry view. Completed? Then you have to click on define document types and click on positions. What you have to do? Click on positions. Have you note down this? Have you note down the students? Hmm? Okay. So first documents is like you have to click on positions. Now see, I am clicking on this define document types entity view, and you have to click on position. You have to click on position. Once you click on positions, type KA, KA for vendor document. Okay, double click on this. Then right here on the screen, reverse document KA is there. Number range is 17. So whatever is displaying, you can write here, and we have to click on maintain number range. So you write number range 17, you will document type A, assets, vendors, material, GL account. After finishing this, tomorrow we are going to do general masters creations. Tomorrow class is also very important. Then Thursday we'll do park document, post document. And next week we can start with the accounts payable. Okay. After this, you have to click on number range. Give the company code IN25. Click on change intervals and then intervals. Click on change intervals and then intervals. So 17 number range I am going to create. Okay. After finishing this, you have to click on 2025. From number is like I'll give 2000 because 1000 I have given. I'll give 2000 range to 2999. Okay, so click on enter. Clear students? After this click on intervals, then save. Again it is come, it will save. Clear? Understood? Huh? Everyone understood this? Till this any doubts? Any doubts is there? So if you understood, put your response. Okay. So any more students? So next document types we are going to create. Clear? So this is save and back once. Likewise, I am going to again you click on save and back. Now I click on this positions KR. Document type KR. First before it was KA, now I am going to keep KR. Okay, document type KR, click on this continue button, double click on this. Double click on this, then 19 number range, right? KR is 19 number range. Completely you write. Okay, after this what we need to do? Number range information. Then I'll give I and 25. So next is click on change intervals. Interval same procedure 19. So 2025. This is I am giving 3000 to 3999. So done students, any doubts is there? So are you understanding? This is, we have created 19 number range. Click on save. So 17, 19, 1, all it has been created and save. Okay. Likewise, we are going to do one more number range. What is that? Positions KZ. Right, document type KZ. Click on the tick mark. So vendor payment, that is vendor payment. So this number range is 15. Make a note on this. Asha, this is all. It will be not reverse mark. This is AB. It should. So all these things it should be AB, but it is wrongly selected. You can do here. AB reverse document type AB for all three KA, KR, KZ, all three. It is a reverse document type is AB. Remember that. And then you click on number range information, that is I have not changed, I forgot to change that time. So you can write reverse document types always AB. AB stands for accounting document. Understood students? You can rectify this. All the reverse documents type is AB. Completed. So this is 15 number range. So and what is that? IN 25. So change intervals, 15 number range you have to create. So this is 2025. From number is I'll take 4000 to 499. Completed students all these things, then entered save. Okay. Likewise, we can do other number ranges. Okay. Back once, again then back, save. Okay, what happened? So vendor payment, since AB actually save back. I'll just rectify this what we have done. This is vendor document. This is also AB actually. This is all. It should be AB. Back KR. How I am saying this is if you click, you will get to know AB is for accounting documents. That's what we have to do. That's all. Clear back. Now I'll do DA. Type DA. DA for what? A document type DA for customer document. Clear? So customer document here it is 16 number range. So AB is displaying. So you can see assets, customers, material GS. Except vendors, you can write all these things. So this is called 16 number range. This is called 16 number range. Okay, accounts type allowed is assets, customer, material, GL account. Click on number range informations. Give IN25. Change intervals 16. Okay, 2025. From account number is 5000. This is 5999. Click on enter. Okay, save and save. Back, back, save. Okay, so next is position is DR. Okay, so once you press DR, click on this customer invoice. DR is for customer invoice. Double click on this is 18 number range. So reverse document type is AB. You have to give AB here. Remove the vendor account. An account type allowed assets, customer, material, GL account. Completed. So after this number range informations, IN 25. What is the number range intervals? 18. So here, it is not displaying. Okay, change intervals you have to do. Then 18 number range. So this is 2025, and I am giving 6,000 to 6,999. Make a note on this. After this, save, and one last thing is left here, that is your DZ. Okay, what is that? Position is DZ. Document types is DZ. Click on the tick mark. Then this is customer payment. Customer payment. So double click on this. Next is, this is your DZ, reverse document type AB. So number range is 14. Number range is 14. Clear? After this, click on this. IN 25. Change intervals. Intervals 14. This is 2025. From account is 7,000 to 7,999. Completed, students? You understood? Now after this, click on enter and save. So this is all document types, number range creations. Everyone understood this? Anyone has any doubts here? Everyone understood? Then put your thumbs up. Put your response here if you understood.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ah,
Should it be
yes.
done in the same order like you taught, ma'am, after KR, then KZ, then
You should
DA?
do in that order only. First you should do KA, then KR, then KZ. Then you should do DA, then DR, then DZ. Only
Okay.
AB you need not to do because we have done first number is 01. No, that is
Yeah.
accounting document. AB you need not to define. Even essay is also not required. Only KA, KR, KZ, DA, DR, DZ. Sequentially you
Okay.
need to do. Okay. So any
Yes,
other doubts, students? So today topic I slow little bit because it is little different topics. So what we'll do any more topic or anyone has any doubts. Just 10 minutes is there. If you want, you can ask. If not, I will start little bit theories like I'm not going to start any practical. So journal ledgers little bit I'll discuss. Do you know about journal entries? What do you mean by journal? In the first class also I have asked you. Like it is the first or prime book of entry. So generally what we are doing in accounting, in manual accounting, first we are keeping a books of accounts where we are doing journal entries like date, particular, column, ledger, folio, debit column, credit column. But in the software, what we are doing, either it is a Tally or it is an SAP software. Both the softwares first we need to create ledgers, then we are doing the vouchers entries. In Tally, we are telling vouchers entries after creation of ledgers. In SAP, these are the procedure till this much steps till today. Whatever I taught, this much steps you will finish completely. Then only you will be able to create ledger in SAP. Okay, so that is called GL accounts. In SAP, you are telling GL creations. I have some questions. So if you want for few minutes, you can write the question, students. We'll be creating these ledgers and all in the tomorrow's class. And Thursday we are going to park these entries and all. Park and post will do on Thursday. Okay. So what is GL? Nothing but the general ledger. So ledger is what? Ledger is known as the head of the accounts, or it is known as final book of entry. So I have given some transactions on the screen. Please note down that for 10 minutes. Then we'll continue on tomorrow's class. So this is nothing. This is the transaction set. I will add some more steps, some more transactions also in class. Right. Started, just forget about the year. Just you give 2025. That's all. This is all 2025 transactions. And I'll add some more transactions I will add in the class and we can do more entries on that. Okay. So just few for example I have given. You can make a note on this. So started business with cash 5 lakhs. So it is journal entries which I have done. Okay. Cash account debited to share capital account or company's capital account. So paid office expenses in cash rupees debited. So this is the question. Started business with cash 5 lakhs. So cash account debited to shares capital account. So it should be here actually. Control V. Okay. So this is credit. I have mentioned like this. Does not forget about this lines and all. So paid expenses in cash, office expenses. Paid office expenses in cash 25,000. So office expenses account debited to cash account. Forget about these lines and all. Just you write normal in your copy. And paid office rent in cash. Rent paid account debited to cash account. Receive professional fees in cash. Cash account debited to professional fees. How it is come credit? Because all incomes and gains comes under credit side. All expenses and losses comes under debit side. This is related to nominal account and real account. This is belongs to the also real account and personal account, and this is belongs to the nominal account and professional fees. That is an what is that income. So that's what it is comes on a credit side. And we have last transactions cash deposited in bank 1 lakh. So ICICI bank account to cash account, these both are related to personal and real account. Okay, so it is we can say also related to the personal account. So make a transactions entries. So date entries, forget about the lines, just write how it is displayed. I'll send the attendance today in the group. So you need not to worry about this. He is sending yesterday things. I'll send it now. Today's the attendance. Today's I'll send it. You can save all the recordings. So whenever you want, you can see that. Okay. So that is the yes. Yeah. Hello. Completed students. Everyone understood? Okay. So any doubts in the today's session? Is there any doubts? Or else we'll wind up the sessions today and we'll continue on the next class tomorrow. So put your last response. So we'll wind up the sessions and we'll continue on tomorrow's class. Thank you all. We'll wind up the sessions. Tomorrow we'll continue. This link will be there for tomorrow. So don't worry. One link will change means I will share in the group. Right now this link will work. Okay, students. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.